Welcome back to an episode of We Are Still Somehow all about fighting aliens, or at least going off this planet. Well, both, kind of. Oh, look at how nice it glows in the dark. That's sweet. And I kind of noticed that the aliens are not coming from the north. No, they are actually coming from a more southern location. So something is definitely going on here. And there was a red marker somewhere down here. I don't think so. Okay, no, it's just gone. Maybe it was a previous location. Maybe I need to get the radio. Yeah. Need to make a radar station. Wait a minute. Consumes electricity. Scans the nearby sectors and actively reveals an area around it. Right. Okay, so let's just let it reveal everything. And hope that it kind of works. Let's just place that in here. And get a little bit more power in there. Bam. Every time. I hate the Y button. For some reason I want to press Y in order to get out of menus, and nothing happened. Sector scanning progress. Oh. Let's see what happens if this is fully done. Once done, maybe it does reveal a bit more from the world. Let's see. Just a wee bit more. Let's just wait it out. Come on. And that's it. It scans again. Okay, so the whole scanning stuff happens all the time. And I place it somewhere in here. This might be... Oh, I can put text in there. Now look at that. That is nice. There's copper, there's ore, there's other stuff, there's ore again. Oh, this is how you can look for stuff. That's pretty neat. Water is not highlighted there, but there's definitely something strange blue down there. What else we got? Gun turrets. Somewhere down there. Oh, that's cool. Pollution. Oh, okay. This is actually very important. I'm going to pollute the whole area. So this is why these creatures are going to attack me now. Is the pollution growing? It's moving about. Sometimes it's these, sometimes it's the one down here. So I have to definitely do something about these creatures. They're going to attack me, and I need to defend myself now. This is something that I have to check every now and then, so that the main base is not affected by like a surprise attack or something. Anyway, what I need is a slightly faster attack. That would be sweet. So we got military, more effective means to defend yourself and your factory. Haha. Yeah, what else kind of defense do we have? I mean, speed. Speed, this thing. Let's just get that one going. And hope that it kind of works. Does it? Doesn't seem to do anything. There we go. It goes up by 1%. That's an awful lot. An awful lot of time. So this one is going to be moved to the side and then downwards. Somehow this thing gets completely ignored, which is weird. Yeah, the red stuff is just getting funneled through and it kind of stops down there for some reason. That's weird. Like, there's no red stuff in here. It just gets funneled through again. Okay, so the green stuff is coming in. But there's not enough red stuff getting produced, I would say, right? Look at that. Yeah, I definitely need to make more red stuff. Need more red stuff. And this one is producing the gears. And this one is full of gears and everything. And... yeah, I need to use the gears somewhat. This thing is going to move the gears directly towards it, but no, I need to get gears somewhere else. Or actually, I could try... How could I try that? Because there are gears in here, awful lot of them. But no, gears are used for this part of the production line. How am I going to do this? This thing is going to be moved over. And somehow nothing works anymore. Like, this thing is completely without use right now because everything's full of... everything is full of metal, which is great. That means we don't need that one anymore. That is actually quite nice. So, then, what else could we do? There's an awful lot of iron coming up, and the other iron is not moving anywhere. So we have an overabundance of iron plate production, which is great. Now there's just this other issue of how on earth am I going to get the The thing in there. I mean, how do I manage that? How do I manage that? I think what you need is like 2 splitters, and then you split, like you prioritize one of these going to the left and the other one going to the right. But I think you cannot really mix it. That's the thing. You can't really mix the thing. Like, what happens if you take like input direction to the right and output direction to the left? Do you flip the whole thing? I don't think so. No, okay. And what if we flip it the other way around? And now, yeah, priority is going towards the right. That is definitely not good. So now there's no priority. Sometimes it goes to the left, sometimes it goes to the right. Okay. Definitely not what I want to see in here. But alright. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? I need to make sure that there is another iron line getting turned into gears and then put all the way up here again. So I think I'm gonna place another splitter in here, somewhere in there maybe, and then I make a tunnel through here, and then I yeah, then I have to turn it into these ingredient thingies again. So let's just build the whole thing like further towards the south, I would say. Right, a splitter. I need this splitter down here that splits this stuff towards the left and towards the right. Then, oh no, it also takes the gears away. Oh, this is definitely not something that I want to do. Stupid gears. Wait a minute. Is this one actually getting... That one gets all the gears in the world, really? Maybe. Okay, let's take this one away again. I have to test something. So that one goes down like so. What if I split this one up, actually? What if I make it so that this one here does not get taken out again, right? So there are no gears going down here. So nothing, no gears are going anywhere. And I just make sure that the gears are split up a little bit. That one needs to be moved down like so, right? And then I'm going to use a... Actually, I don't need to split it up, don't I? Yeah, I don't need to. It will just... It will not accumulate... it will not accumulate. There's one problem that I kinda forgot to figure out here. Okay, wait a minute. This is all about the copper line, isn't it? So the copper is gonna get pushed all the way here. Then I need to take out the gears somehow. And then I need to make sure that the... yeah, wait a minute. The gears are going towards the left, right? Yeah, wait a minute. The gears are going towards the left. And this thing here needs to be... that one goes upwards. And... wait a minute. Upwards again. To the right. That one goes away and that one goes away. Ah, there we go. Now we're talking. So, now I can take them out. And of course I need more energy, as usual. So, now the gears are accumulating all the way over here. And I still don't know anything about the... Why is that one not working? Ah, I think I have an idea. I have to take this one out. There we go. There we go. Actually, it doesn't make any sense to have this thingy accumulate in here. It could just produce as much as it wants to be honest. But right, let's just make this one happen. Ah, look at that. Okay, so the copper comes up on this side. Interesting. But it stops here, which is not so cool. Definitely not so cool. Yeah, we need a splitter. Splitter. Let's move this something like so. Actually, Actually, no, I don't care about the splitter. I can just make another run for it. There we go, like so. And then I'm going to build another production thingy right here. Or maybe a little bit further up or something like that. And then I'm gonna place... Yeah, this one has to be placed in here somehow. And then I'm going to make this one up over here. Then make this one. This one and this one. And this one. Then we are going to place that in here. And this one up here. And then we are going to produce this stuff. Right. Perfect, 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 perfect. Now, question. Does this one actually get a decent amount of copper? Or do I need to produce more copper? Like, see this copper run here? It goes all over the place. In this case, I would be better off not letting the copper go down. I have to actually fuse this up or something. I said this before. That might have been the best solution altogether. So let's just place this up here. Get rid of this line right there. And then there is sadly no copper going down here anymore, which is a bit weird. I don't want that to happen. So let's just do this. And move this up here. And now everything's fine. Nice. Fast replace belt and underground belt. You can fast replace with entity underground and vice versa. Any belts in between the entrance and exit of the underground belt will be mined automatically. This fast replace feature also applies to entity pipe and entity pipe underground. Okay. That's neat. In this case, the fast replace feature in here is more like a just place it and everything is working. In this case, there's just this thingy here that's supposed to put some gears in there that are maybe needed at one time or another. Yeah, definitely. The gears are not accumulating, they're just getting funneled through, which is alright. Yeah, and sometimes they just accrue out over there. But what I need to do is I need to get more gears on here, on the left side of it, so that they can arrive over here again. I need to get more gears on this production line somehow. But how am I going to do that, as I say? The gears. The thing is I can't just flip this to the left and to the right. Maybe there's some kind of splitter thing. Splits and joints transport belts cargo 1-to-1. Maybe there's another splitter or something. Or maybe some belt stuff. What do we have? Belt immunity equipment. Then we have like tool belt, logistics. Yeah. What about that one? Express splitter. It's just faster, that's it. Is there more like splitter? No. How do you make it so that you can move the items to the left or to the right somehow? Okay, inserter. Let's see. Inserter. Stack inserter. Can move multiple items at the same time. Allow stack inserters to move more items at once. Okay, that's an upgrade. Key technology for automatic mass production. And the filter thingy. That's just this annoying issue. That I have no clue on what to do with that. That's just the iffy bit. And I still don't have enough coal to supply the furnaces and everything. At one point it will just stop. I need another coal belt for that. But yeah, I think... Yeah, that's kind of the problem up here. But it would be better to combine a coal belt thing with this thing. So that the coal is on the left, and this other one is to the right or something like that. Yeah, I need a coal run for that. But how do you make it so that you can move it to the left and move it to the right? Like, this is the thing that's kind of annoying. And it's just that the inserters cannot be set to place the item either on the inner side or the outer side or whatever. right? And the whole thing is kind of like predetermined and so on. So let's take this thing away. That was supposed to do something specific. I just kind of forgot about that. Wait a minute. Why are there so many tool belt thingies up here? Oh, that's not good. Why is there so much copper? Wait a minute. Okay, so this one places it on the long side. Then we have a short side for this thing. Interesting. So this one is going to be placed up here. This one is going to be placed up there. So this is how you can decide where it's going to be placed. You just put another inserter there, and then you can flip the whole thing from left to right. Okay, you can flip the whole thing from left to right if you want to. Interesting. Interesting. But I want the whole thing to work on the splitter, to be honest. I don't want to move it left and right. Priority. Filter, output, input. Maybe it has something to do with the input. Nah. I think I have to test this out a little bit just to know what's going to happen. But yeah, there are definitely not enough items coming through here. I mean, there are a decent amount of whoa, tons of belts. It's not good. And everything's 25. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's a decent one. That's a decent one. That's a decent one. I need more of those arms to make the whole thing work. The thing is, yeah, as I said, I tried to make it too interconnected and too small. I just need to forget about the whole perfectionism kind of thing. Oh, there they're coming. It might be the pollution. Yeah, that thing is going strong. They are coming from the north now. But what I need to do is like have greater weapon speed and everything. Weapon shoot speed. Okay. Physical projectile damage. Ah, that one sounds good. That one can come up later. Let's see. Wait a minute. Is that one actually going good? Could be. Yeah, that one is supplied well. That one is supplied well. And look at that. It's going. And it looks like we actually have a decent supply for all of the research thingies. That means I can place another production facility up here. Okay, that's a bit weird. Yeah, it's definitely a bit weird. Maybe up on here or something, because I have to make the belt go somehow like that. Oh, wait a minute. We just go with the inserter. So either this one goes up here and inserts stuff. And then I need like 2 units and then one to the right. Yeah, that's working. I can place it like that. Then I can make the... Yeah, I cannot place it like that. Sadly. The inserter is in the way, which is not good. Not good. Okay, so I have to place it slightly above that. Let's get rid of that. Place it up here. Now I just need the inserter to place it somehow like that. Right. Okay, with a bit of luck that works. With a bit of luck that works. So now we have the speed. Now I just need the physical projectile damage. That shouldn't take much longer. Actually, what do we get? Gun turret damage plus 10%. This one plus 10%. And bullet damage plus 10% again. Oh, that is perfect. Oh, nice. Look at how it gets facilitated. Actually, that's the wrong one. There we go. It's gonna get funneled in, like... Okay, something is weird. This one seems to produce an awful lot of those things. That one it ends up getting placed up here. Ah, I think I know what's happening here. That one is going to produce it all the time. But because we place it on the outside and not in the next building up here, it can actually stack up a little bit. That's neat. So, this one takes all of the gears out and places it again on the far side. So the inserters always place on the far side. They take from whatever side they can, and then they basically place it on the far side. The long one places it on the far side, and this one places it on the far side. Now the other question is just, what if it's going in the direction? It might be always on the yeah, on what side actually? This one places it on the outer side. It's either the far side, or it's in a clockwise direction on the or the counterclockwise direction, let's say that. Definitely that. Definitely that. Right, well, do we have another inserter so I can check that? Yeah, they're coming from this side, they're coming from that side, and then everything's just bunching up. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, wait a minute, is this one... Ah, that one is stopping because I don't have enough iron anymore. Interesting. It just stops and it only takes the outer side, see that? It gets extremely congested, but that makes sure that there's always enough iron to flow around. That's perfect. That is perfect. Then, what else do we have? Oh, there's something red coming. And there's something red dying. Perfect. Looks like the belt is still going strong, but I think I should place this turret a little bit further out or something like that. Maybe split this up into 2 streams or so, and then I can have another turret go like that. Or maybe... Yeah, I could try to get rid of this thing here and make it go downwards or something. Okay, this assembly line is a bit weird. Projectile damage is coming up. And once the whole upgrades are ready... why is that one not working? That one makes like iron sheets things. Let's take all of that and take all of that. Oh. Yeah, that's great. What's the maximum that can be stored in here? I don't know. Alright, let's place all of that in here and maybe like half... Oh no, wait. Let's take all of that out and half of that can be placed in here. Sweet. So what's the next one? Green. Okay, come on. We need as much attack as we can. Oh. And it's going strong. Oh, thank goodness I have defenses, otherwise I would be so screwed. Right. Escape. Save a little bit. And I still kind of didn't do anything like that. Sweet. But I'm kind of surprised by the fact that there's one that got taken away. There's another one, also got taken away. There's another one, also got taken away. Oh, it's always getting placed on the belt, that's why. Aha. That one buffers. Because that happens, there's always a little bit more. Right. So, how am I gonna do this with the belts now? I could try to put these, wait a minute, in an assembly machine and then down here. If it's always on the far side, then it's actually quite good. I just have to place it on this way over here. Then we're gonna place an inserter in there, the next inserter in here. Then the whole thing produces this stuff. And then I'm just going to power it with electricity. Actually, this was the wrong one. There we go. Let's get rid of that. Good. And the whole thing again on the far side, right? That is perfect. Now there are an awful lot of gears accumulating again. Because this one is just making gears left and right. That's perfect. So I can continue with this processing line as much as possible. And somehow the copper is not going anywhere, which is a bit weird. That is definitely weird. That is definitely weird. Actually, I could try the... Yeah, what's cheaper? A splitter? Where's the thing? Where's the splitter? There. 5 iron plates, 5 electronics, 554. Okay, this is definitely maybe the cheaper option. 4 in a fast inserter. Sadly, it does not tell you the whole amount of resources that you need in order to make this. It just tells you a fast inserter, but then you have to add the resources for this one, like 2 and 2, 2 and 6, 2 and 6, and this one here. It's 2 and 7 actually. So this one is a bit cheaper actually. Yeah, a wee bit. It's difficult to say actually. It's very difficult to say. Anyway, the thing that I could try to do here is not have a selection insert in there, but actually it doesn't really matter what we do. If I go for a splitter, and I'm going to split the whole thing left and right or something, then this other belt right here splits up what, like priority left gets the copper. There we go. So copper is going towards the left and everything else should go to the right. Let's just get rid of this and see what happens if I make it go forward. Nothing is going anywhere because there's some congestion here. That means I have to place a this inserter here, and I'm going to place a chest right there. It's definitely not fast enough. And look where it's actually taking the items from. Yeah, there's no copper coming in here. Okay, so this is how we can select where stuff is going to go. The thing is, we can only select the lines and not what position on the line it's going to get to. But alright. It's definitely a nice way in order to select things. Question, where do we get the... This one is going to place the belts, yeah. Wait a minute, always on the inner side. So, let's see, always on the inner side. Let's take this one away and take a fast inserter. Like that one. And that one places everything on the inner side now. Nice. So this is definitely a nice way to change the side, at least if from the bottom side to the top side. Actually, let's have a little bit of a test. So this fast inserter does that stuff. If you take the long inserter, what does it do? I just produced the whole thing. That's not what I wanted. So let's take that. Can only take from the long side. Alright. Let's take that one. See what happens. Also on the inner side. So all the inserters seem to place it on the same side. What about a... normal inserter does the same thing. Fast inserter. Then there's a filter inserter. Let's place a filter inserter. And filter through copper. Also the inner side. We cannot... Sadly, not select where it's going to place the whole thing. Sadly, we can't do that. But maybe what you can do is you can rotate... Oh. Definitely not cool. So this one can go downwards. And this way. This is down. Okay. And then this way. Upwards is sadly not really working. That's the weird bit. But if you place it like this, then it's going towards the inside, right? If you take this away, then it's going straight again. Like, this is the thing. You cannot start with a bend. Definitely not cool. Definitely not cool. Anyway. This is where we wanted to place this from the get-go. So we're good. It's just that... yeah, now it kind of ended up on the wrong side here. Let's just select that copper. Definitely not what I wanted to do, but alright. So, now we know how this works. It's just this... copy-paste filters. How does that work? You can copy-paste between entities with the configurable filters. Requests or filtered inventory slots, such as entity filters and splitters. And how do you do this? I know that I can do that, but how do you... Do you copy and paste? Do you... What kind of button do you press for that? You can copy and paste. Copy, paste, entity settings. There we go. Ah, shift and right click and shift left click. Ah. To copy between this. Shift click and drag. Okay. Shift does the thing. Shift does the thing. Right. Very interesting. But yeah, what I actually want to try to do here is make it so that it's always with a bend or something like. See that? That's weird. But yeah, this is always on the... Oh, wait a minute. If this is always on the far line, what happens if we do it like that? Now this is the far line, right? But we cannot bend it in a way, right? That's not working. You can only do it like that. And like that. Like, it needs another connection, otherwise it's not working. If you do it like that, then it would work immediately. And that's the cool thing about it. The problem is you cannot make can you make a belt that is bent already? That's cool. I'm looking for belts or something. Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Belts. Belt lanes. There we go. So these lines are coming up here, and these lines are coming up here. That makes sense. That thing here takes this layout and places it on here and on here. Now we have two of those splitters, and this one goes on the outer side, and this one also goes on the outer side. But how do you... dragging underground, fast belt... Bending, there we go. Fast belt bend, no. Pressing R while dragging, no. Automatic obstacle, fast place and replace. No, okay, that's not it. Okay. Definitely not what I was looking for. But as long as there's a little bit of room, I can definitely set this up right. Quick question, why is there still some copper in here? What's going on? Oh, that's why. Let's take all of this away. Look at this. What's going on? See that? Now there's a little bend. Interesting. So you can end up with a belt, but you cannot... You can end up with a bend, but you cannot start with a bend. That's the iffy bit. Okay, this one is something that I cannot do. Physical damage, weapon shooting speed, I can't do that yet. This is the blue stuff again. What else we got? Military 2, more effective means of defense. What do we get, actually? Whatever, let's just make this and hope that it works. But look at this. As long as there is congestion up here, that means I could try to make another one of these lanes. We heard. We heard. So in this case, I need to shift it a little to the right. Maybe take this one away, take that one away, take that one away, and make it so that it's going to place it maybe downwards or so. No. Okay, I need to get the lines right. So let's see. Let's just place it like that, and build the whole automation system afterwards, or something. Like this could be one, but it definitely has not the space for it. Come on, so not cool. Anyway, actually, there's always these bends here. See that? What if I just get rid of the bends entirely and just place the belt going straight up like that? Just like so. So military tactics are done. Stronger explosive. Nah, this is not what we need. So I need to continue with the research. What's the next one on the tree? We got some advanced technology, some batteries, some flammables. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I need this one. That means we're going for that part of the tree. Now, let's see. This assembly only works this way. Wait a minute. This one uses 2 spots, right? Or 3 spots, right? Yeah, 3 spots wide. And this one collides on 2 spots, so that means there's another spot left that I can use. Maybe. But that wouldn't really work, would it? No, it wouldn't. That definitely wouldn't really work. But anyway, I could try that. So, I could place that. Not the best solution. How do I make that work? I need to move this to the side once, and then I need a different belt setup, and then that could work. So I need to get rid of this, actually, and move like this whole thing upwards, like so. Then that could work. So let's place that over here, like so. Actually, maybe a little bit further down. And wait a minute, and let's get rid of this. And assembly machines. This thing. Actually, yeah, maybe that could work. Maybe that could work. So let's take this one away. Take this one away and this one away, just for sake of it for now. That one gets moved sideways like so. Upwards like that. And sideways like that. And that is definitely not how you do this. Because now I can't place anything in there anymore. That's not good. Because I wanted to get this little bend so I can place it up here, but this is not working anymore. Definitely not working. Definitely not working. Okay, it was nice on paper, but it definitely doesn't work like so. Definitely doesn't work like that. Alright. So, I need to take that. Or maybe what I can try to do is place this a little bit further up. That would maybe do the thing here. Let's see. Let's take that one away and move this one upwards. That's not good. So, there we go. And give it electricity. Perfect. So, is there stuff on the ground? I think so. Yeah. Just one. Anyhow, I need the chest. Wait a minute. There we go. This one goes up here. Then I needed the fast... I always click on making it. That's not what I wanted to do. Alright. Now that's working. Right. And now I can just copy and paste the whole layout a little bit. So that one gets placed up here, that one gets placed up here, and then I can make a few of these. Make one here, and there, and there. A little bit more current, just in case. Perfect. And what was it? It was like shift and... How do you drag the setup? Shift and right click? Ah. Interesting. How do you know what kind of setup you place in there? Anyway, at least now it's working. And what about the congestion? I think I can still power more than those. It's quite impressive. I am amazed by how much resource material can be placed in there. Absolutely amazing. Alright, Nah, there's still the defense that I need to go through. And I need to defend against the stuff on the bottom there, and then on top of there. And there's... Ooh-ha. Okay. Oh, wait. What about defense? What about armor? Let's look at armor. There we go. Heavy armor. That's good. Let's take that one for more protection. That's great. Let's take this one and immediately research the whole thing. Once it's done, and then I'm happy. Now, the defense are still going strong. Oh yeah, let's save it. Continue. Now we can fight. I do have a decent amount of ammunition, so I might be alright. Or maybe I... Wait a minute. Iron plates. I don't have iron plates. The SMG needs to be made. Pistol, shotgun, submachine gun, firearm magazine, piercing rounds. Okay, it doesn't matter what we do here. Submachine. Iron plates. Yes, iron plates, iron plates, iron plates, iron plates. With this one. Now I can make one. Perfect. And I don't need more than the one, which is quite nice. Now the question is, with all of the ammunition, right? 5 plus 1 physical damage. Range, shooting speed. Okay, so the weapon determines the shooting speed. And the range. Okay, and the SMG is definitely better. So let's take this one away from it so we don't use it. Actually, dual wielding would be cool. Let's place this down here. Right. I think that's good. Heavy armor is now available. Nice. Modular armor. Why is that one not? So, and of course we need better armor. That one needs steel plates. Where do we get steel plates now? Didn't I have like a steel facility in there? I don't think so. But this one needs that and makes steel. Yes. But I think I should rather place a steel furnace in here to make the whole thing a little bit faster. But actually, no, the whole thing kind of gets made on the side, if you're completely honest. Yeah, the whole thing is just, it's faster, right? It's just faster. Unbelievable. So many plates. Okay, let's take stuff out of here. 1,000 and whatnot. Place them all in there, maybe. Let's maybe get half of this, and... oh no, wait a minute. All of this, and... there we go. That might be a decent amount. So, what about the whole production line of this stuff? I have to take all of this stuff out of here. And this stuff, and this stuff, and this stuff, and no, it's good. Yeah, that's going. Oh, the green things. We need the green. And the green again. Oh, wait. Shift, wasn't it? Shift. That's not working. Ah, see that? And now I can drag it. Ah, nice. Okay. So you know what you're taking, because this one here is out of range. Okay, that one is working. No, wait. What's going on? I can take this one. Look at that. And now it's... this one is green. If I hover over this again, then it's green yet again. So... okay, let's just... should we wait a little bit or not? That's the thing. Wow, there's so much research material in here. Actually, something is wrong. I think I'm not making enough of these thingies here. Yeah, there are gears missing, definitely. So there are not enough gears coming up here, because they're all getting placed up there. That's not good. But there's definitely a surplus of iron. And in order to get the iron going, I need to, like, place that somewhere in here. Now, how am I going to make that work? And I want to place the gears on the left side, right? To place the gears on the left side, we need to have an upper bend in it or something. A bend that goes leftwards. But how do we bend the whole thing? How do we bend the whole thing? Like, we can place that right here. And no one down here. Nothing's happening. How do we make it so that the bend's working? I mean, you could still rotate the whole thing and upwards. And this one can be bent in any way, actually. The thing is, it just gets rotated all over the place, but it does not go into a bend mode or not. There we go. It only goes into a bend if there's an input somewhere. So this is an input, now it's a bend, right? This is how you can decide where it's going to go. You can't just say that this is going down... Wait a minute. Yeah, this is going forward and this is going upwards and left, something like that. That's just not possible. Okay, so how do we make that work? I need gears in there. And gears are always placed at the long side of the one. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. If I would place a long inserter on this location right... No, this location up here, then it would work, I think. I just need a way to make gears then. Oh, I can turn it the other way around. Oh, that's genius. That is genius. So, wait a minute. This, exactly. But this one takes from that location up here. And I don't want to do this right now. Wait a minute. I have to make this go down here, and then down here, and then like down here, and down there, and then yeah, there we go. Wait, this one is going down like so. Perfect. Now it's working. So, back to the whole long inserter situation. So, the long inserter always goes to the closest range. Therefore, it goes onto the inner side if we place it like that. And it also takes from the longer side if we take it from over here, for example. And now what we can do is we can try to make another one of those assembly machines. Like... Does it take... Yeah, it takes the previous one, which is perfect. So let's take one over here, and also we need a bit more of yay stuff here. Wait. Okay, that should work. Now, this one is going to make gears, and it's going to take the iron from over here, and it places it all the way over here. And now we have a nice way of getting additional gears on there, even if it might be a bit weird. So let's get some more some armor going. It just takes a very long while. Maybe the how does the armor upgrade actually work? 50 steel. Okay, it's 8 steel. That's definitely not enough. Why does it take so long? Oh, wait a minute. Right. So, anyway, the whole thing is gonna get killed. And I need to get rid of this thing over here. Let's save a little bit. We do have a decent amount of defenses right now, I hope. No, wait a minute. I have this one here. I need this one. I mean, it's nice that I have, like, multiple light armors. But it doesn't matter if I only need one. Okay, what if I just place another one of those steel furnaces in here? Steel furnaces, of course, need stone bricks. And there are no stone bricks in here because no stone. But there's a decent amount of stone from over here. Yeah, and then there's this inserter issue that I had again, right? Like, look at all of those gears getting picked away by the systems. Okay, I definitely need to place a few more gears in here, and this one is, for some reason, congesting. Wait. Okay, this one is stopping there. That's weird. That one doesn't place it on the right spot. That's not cool. It should place it actually on the inner side of the bend, but it doesn't do that. Because now it's the outer side of the bend. Oh, come on. Okay, so it's not working. It's not working. So how do I place it on the inner side? It always places it on the outer side, right? Or how does it... Yeah, it always places it on the outer side. Or in this case, this side over here. Goodness gracious, how am I going to place gears on this line over here? It's so ridiculous. But in this case, okay, let's just make an underground thing then. Let's make this. And take that one and go with it as far as we can. Now the whole thing should also work. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Now we have an opening of placing gears and the like right where it needs to be placed. So like that. And let's place the assembling machine up here. We need the long taker for that. Or long inserter for that. And the long inserter of course takes from yay location. And it takes the... or it makes gear. There we go. And of course... it doesn't need to place it back there. We just need a normal inserter for that. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. So... this one machine might be enough in order to facilitate, like, most of the needs here. Like, this inserter here is always out of gears. The gears are coming from over there. And now it may even supply a lot. Actually, this one is not running all the time. That's not good. So that means we may be even able to get another one going. I just need another long taker for that. And another one of that kind. Then I'm going to take this, place it over here. And then I'm going to place this thing up here with a belt that goes, of course, upwards. Nice. That's perfect. That is absolutely perfect. I love it. Okay. Let's keep this up. And it's going to congest. Slowly but surely. Wait a minute. The issue here is that I cannot limit part of the inventory, so it cannot be filled by machines. Yeah, that's nice. Ah, the inserters are coming through. Perfect. Just not fast enough, I would say, right? In this case, it would be better for the inserters and the transport belts to bunch up over here and not inside there. That's just the thing. Okay, where are the... this one is going to be placed on the long side. That's not cool. But in this case, I could try the short side of it as well. Wait a minute. See that? If I turn this around and let the whole thing... yeah, if I take this one here and I place that one over here, it still gets some bends out of that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to... inventory is full. Yeah, what? Okay. Yeah, what? Let's place... I'm thingy in here. I'm going to place like all of those. Okay, that should do it. Now, the thing that I want to focus on is I want to get rid of this thing first, and then I'm going to make a bend this way. This one goes upwards, and this thing also goes upwards. So all of this is going to accumulate for some reason. And then we're going to... of course it's not possible because my inventory is full. You gotta be kidding me. Anyway, this stuff is perfectly sorted. Nice. So it does not stop each other. And what am I going to do with the rest of it? I need a much larger inventory. Wait a minute. Control. Right click. Yeah. So, nice. Let's continue with the other research for the thingy here. And the next one is that. Perfect. Also, what about my armor? That one needs steel plate and advanced circuits. Where do I get advanced circuits from? These. They need plastic bars and copper cables. Plastic bars need petroleum. Now it gets really complicated. Petroleum. Plastic bars need petroleum thing. This one needs petroleum gas. In order to be made. Basic oil processing recipe turns crude oil into petroleum. And this is made in an oil refinery. And then there's the other stuff that happens in between. Okay. In this case, I need to figure out how to get onto oil. Maybe there's an oil digging site or something. Chemical plant. Oil refinery. Yeah. Ingredients. Crafting speed. Or just that is pump check. There we go. That could be it. Let's make like one of them, maybe two of them, or whatever. Yeah, let's make two of them. Right. So, let's take all of this thing, all of this thing, all of this thing. And all of that. Nice. And this one's going to be placed like so. Cannot insert copper cable. Inventory is full. Yeah, what? Oh. So, let's place again. Oh, control right click. There we go. 718. Isn't that a bit too much? Oh, I got all of the stone blocks in here. That's not what I want. But okay, where do I place the stone blocks? Let's place a lot of them in here. That should do it. Great. So, now, advanced oil processing, advanced material processing, faster, more flexibles. And this is in the advanced electronics. Oh, wait a minute. I also need to create the blue stuff. Where do we get the blue stuff? Can't find it. There. This one needs sulfur, advanced circuits, and engine units. And engine units can be obtained from... Where do we get engine units? Come on. An engine... there we go. An engine unit needs iron gear wheels and pipes. That's easy to do. But in order for this to actually work, we need to set up a different factory plan for that. Okay. It gets difficult and difficult by the second. But for now, with the whole processing going on, what I can try to do is at least get all of the normal upgrades so that we can maybe get better modules. Allows you to research upgrades and modules that can be inserted into machines. Okay. The circuit network. Let's go for that one. Right. It is definitely congested. That's perfect. And there's always something getting made up here. That is perfect. That is absolutely perfect. Let's take that out of here and place it in that one over... Actually, no, let's keep that. Right. So, time for the defense systems. Oh, we need more coal in there. Also, where do I get the coal? Wait a minute. Inventory full, sure. Really? Oh no, you can't pass through here, that's not good. Right. That's going strong. It needs another coal belt, or at least needs to be powered by electricity. But that's definitely definitely not as easy as one may think. So, now, what does the map say? Still the same amount of pollution. What's this? Iron ore. There's some uranium, some stone. Okay. Looks like the oil just comes out of the ground no matter where we go. At least I don't know where to drill for that stuff. Right. Oh, wait a minute. I have the armor and everything available. So why don't I just craft the whole thing? I just need, yeah, advanced circuits. Need plastic bars, and this is something that's not as easy to do. So at least let's get this thing here with a steel plate. 20. Not enough. Okay, let's build another one of those furnaces. Ah, this is why. Yeah, let's let the whole thing accumulate a little bit. I need to use iron in here, or actually, we need to make another oven. Where's the other one? There we go. Let's make a few more ovens in here. Nice, 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 nice. Right. I want to go with shift for some reason, but it's actually control. Alright, so let's take this thing out of there. And this thing as well. Perfect. And how do we... nope. Much better. Right, next one. Efficiency module, productivity module. A module that allows a machine to make more products from the same amount of ingredients, but it also increases energy consumption and reduces speed. Okay, it makes more, but it's actually slower and it uses more energy. So in this case, it means you save up another building, kind of. A module that reduces the energy consumption of a machine. So this is actually better. Speed module that makes a machine work faster, but it also increases its energy consumption. Productivity. A module that allows a machine to make more products from the same amount of ingredients. And it also increases energy consumption and reduces speed. The thing is, you have to have all three of them in order to balance everything out a little bit. That's the iffy bit. Speed module again, and so on and so forth. So, efficiency module. What would be the best? Speed, efficiency, or productivity? Making more, making it faster, or making it, or using up less? It kind of feels as if it's somewhat the same. I mean, input and output, right? Stack inserter can move multiple items at once. And let's just take that one. Right. So, do we have enough for the armor right now? No. Steel plate is not ready yet. 27. 32. Okay, why can't I place another one of these burners? Actually, I can. Let's just take this and place the whole thing down there. And make a decent amount of steel now. Come on, 30. The pollution might be dramatic. Okay, we're getting closer. Just 11 more and we're good. Ah, the thing is you only see this on the map. And be good. So let's get the heavy armor going. Da da dee da 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 do da 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 dee. Nice. So, heavy armor. Shift click. Cannot insert heavy armor. Armor slot is occupied. 2020? 1020. What's the first number and what's the second number? Kind of feels weird. So, yeah, what about my ammunition? Ammunition seems to be good. Except that we sometimes need more iron plates and copper plates. Okay. Sometimes I may need just a few of them. So, let's get a few of these. Right. Time to save scum the whole thing. Whew, okay. Time to fight them. How do we look like? Yeah, getting heavier and heavier and heavier. Only thing is, I need something against this this acid stuff. That's just ridiculous. Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, let's take the other one. Come on, just need to get this one. And we're good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Right. Oh, the range, the range. Oh, that's cheap, that's so cheap, that's so cheap. We're just gonna snipe them away here. Perfect. Okay, as long as we don't have a target, we don't shoot at anything. Oh no, there's some acid there, there's some acid there. Okay, we got not all of the worms yet. Okay, there's the other one. Okay, worm is destroyed. Perfect. Shotties are amazing. Okay, you need to snipe away the other things first. Then you're good. Whew. Okay, I need a radar station though. 2, 3 needs electricity. Yes. And then I also need like a few of those. Where's my radar station? There. Let's just place it. Interesting. Right up there. And again. Do 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 do. Right. So, what does it say? It scans already. There's some copper ores and some enemy. Great, 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 great. And then there's this other enemy base down there. We are definitely going to defeat those as well. I'll just get the other weapon. Da da dee da 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 da. Yeah, making this this car work. Oh, now it's getting nighttime. Ooh-ha. Definitely an awful lot of them. Awful lot of them. Awful lot. Awful lot. Okay, got the first wave. Okay, you got one worm. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Right. Next part. You need the other worm. Come on, kill, get killed, get killed, get killed. Perfect. Okay. Ah. Nice, 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 nice. I mean, the shotty is nice and all, but only against buildings. Oh, really? Much better. Let's just shoot our way through here. Maybe I shouldn't... Yeah, maybe I should definitely get piercing when it comes to that. Okay, base is done for. Perfect. And of course there's more of these things. And dead. Perfect. Ah, nice, 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 nice. Yes. Okay, secured my ass. Perfect. Now, what does the map say? Map says there's an awful lot of other stuff about to happen here, but the pollution is going to get to this area over there, and then I'm screwed, kind of. Need to get another radar station going. So let's place that one like maybe somewhere over here also. That should do it. There we go. Problem is the radar station is going to get attacked immediately, right? So I have to make sure that it gets facilitated by... Ooh. So many, so many. Wait. Okay, got it. Ooh, sweetie, sweetie, sweetie potato. Next one. Stack inserter capacity bonus +1. Oh, there's a. What is the white inserter that we got right now? There's this one. Stack filter inserter. Stack inserter again. Stack filter is a stack inserter. This one, stack inserter needs a fast inserter and some other stuff. Like, the thing is, you need so many different resources that in the end, what happens is that you utilize the easiest to manage resource out of all of them, right? So you don't even go for the too complex parts in there. But let's see. That could definitely help us a little bit as well. And let's just hope it does not need to be powered by anything. Or by something that's too complex to make. Okay, now where's all of this stuff coming into? So we get all of the steel. Steel plate are gonna get placed up here. And we place a bit more coal in there. Right. There's so many different items in here. I need something for the inventory. Wait a minute. Inventory? No. Carry? No. Slot? No. Backpack. BAC. Personal battery? Nope. 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 I need a kind of backpack upgrade. Circuit network. Camera. Nope. No. Oh, tool expands your inventory. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I was looking for inventory. You don't find inventory here, right? You need to know that it's called a tool belt and not a backpack. But yeah, let's see. Let's just go for the tool belt here. Actually, is there more than this one tool belt? No. This is just it. It expands the inventory, but maybe there's other things. Follow robot card 1. That's a nice one. What else we got? We got a power armor. We got some lasers and stuff like that. Personal laser defense. Inserted into armor to automatically fire at nearby enemies. There's so many cool ones in here. But I have to say, once you get behind the idea of just going all out on research, kind of, then the whole stuff gets much easier to do. So let's build another few research stations. One that's up here. And of course it needs another inserter like that, another inserter like that, and that one gets inserted over here, and that one gets inserted over there. Maybe a little bit more current and stuff. There we go. Perfect. Oh. That one took a little while. Come on. Give me the thing, give me the thing, give me the thing. There we go. I should definitely start with the one at the bottom and not with the one at the top. So it can be filled here. This is such an ingenious way of making that. I'm so proud of myself. Stacking everything from one side. Like it comes from over here. Ends up all the way over there. Neat. Okay. That one is still congested, right? That's not good. That means there's still an awful lot of additional gears that we could produce. Okay, what about this one? It's not producing it because it needs more electronics. Electronics need iron for some reason. And somehow there ends up... Wait a minute. Why do we take these thingy... Okay, this one we don't need, to be honest. Yeah. Let's just override the whole thing. Make it look like that. Perfect. So, there's a problem in here. Like, all of this we need to get rid of. Okay, let's redo this. Okay. There we go. Much better. This little arm that places things on the far side had a little bit of an opening, and then you just slotted stuff in. Okay. Now we got all of the things that we need. This one is gone. Oh yeah, it needs copper. Copper's coming from over here, but not enough. Interesting. We don't get enough copper now. That's not good. We don't get enough copper. That means I need to get more copper somehow. How do I get more copper? I need to get it into the copper lines. And I need to get it into the copper facilities. So, that means I have to remake the whole thing. And I'm going to make... let's see... I could make some No. Yeah, let's produce it from the drills. And then upwards somewhat. There we go. So let's build some drills first. So we're going to take this one, and that one, and that one. Can't reach, yeah, sure. That's weird. Let's take this one and this one. Now we are going to make sure that all of the resources are obtained from here. Yeah, that one gets placed up here. That one gets placed up here. That one gets placed up here. To be honest, let's get some open space in here, just in case. And also so that we can get some energy in order to power all of that. So, and then the drills. They're gonna drill and drill and drill and drill. So this one has no energy anymore, of course. That one works like that. That one works like that. Everything's fine. So let's get the belt going. It needs to end up in on the copper belt, so it needs to be placed in here, maybe with a tunnel or whatever. But I think what I'm going to do is like I turn it around here and then all the way around over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first make a copper belt, a nice one. And then I'm going to fuse stuff together a little bit. Like so. It definitely needs more electrical power. That's for sure. That means I need to take this one, and this one away. Get the electrical power in the back lines. Okay, that's going now. Perfect. Let's see. This one is going around and can't reach. So somewhere down here. And then it goes all the way through here. And then from here on, we're going to facilitate a bunch of furnaces. Actually, yeah, let's hope that this works. Let's hope that this works. We're going to facilitate a bunch of furnaces. And actually, it should facilitate the stuff on the outside and not on the inside. So it does not bunch up too much. So, wait a minute. So somewhere over here. Right. Let's place that one up here. Right. This one gets rid of it. This one, this one, this one. Oh, wait a minute. I think this is an opportunity for a coal belt. Okay, wait a minute. Could I think this works. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. So, that is good. That one goes like this. Actually, what am I... Yeah. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But yeah, there's another belt, but I just wanted to keep it clean. So, and then the other coal belt comes from up here. Wait a minute. There we go. As I said, the coal belt is coming from up here somewhat. Definitely need to produce a wee bit more than that. Maybe I should try to make a splitter in there or something. Where's the splitter? There. There's the splitter. That one splits stuff. And drills. Drill is not working because I need iron gear. Iron gear needs like metal. Metal, 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 metal. Where's the stuff going to bunch up usually? All the ways in here. Okay, the fact that everything is colliding is a wee bit iffy, to be honest. Not cool. Uh-oh. Okay, that definitely is a little bit of an issue. Because I don't have enough space. What do I? Yeah, this one is only a 2x2 building. That's not good. Yeah, it's only a 2x2 building. How am I going to make that work? I need to have a little bit of space in between, otherwise it won't work. That's iffy. Okay. I have to build it in a different way. The fact that it always needs spacing. Right. Anyway. One spacing, one spacing, one spacing, one spacing, and so on and so forth. And another one spacing, and another one spacing. This one needs wood. Wait, wait. I need another pole. Wait a minute. Yeah, let's take this one. Do we have a pole or something? Better poles. Yeah, that one. Good. No, I don't have any others. Sweet. Need to cut down more wood. Anyhow, the inserters, for some reason, are not connected to anything. Wait a minute. There we... Why is it not working? Because I need copper cable. Copper cable needs copper plating. And copper plating can only be obtained through these means. Right. Okay, anyway, let's quickly get rid of this so we can at least somewhat connect it. Wait a minute. We only need to connect the furthest part first. There we go. Now, As I said, it also has like a long inserter kind of thing, and the long inserter takes the copper ore, and the short inserter takes the coal. And how do I place them? Long on the right, short on the left. So long on the right, short on the left. Perfect. But the most annoying thing is the fact that the electrical poles just need this extra little space so that everything works. I could make it work if I put a splitter in here that fuses both of those lines together or something. But then it will be a bit problematic. But actually, yeah, I could really try this out so I can save myself some space. But anyway, let's place this one over here, this one over here, and then the whole thing needs to be taken out as well. So we need like a normal exerter, normal. There we go. And again, of course, it needs another pole system. There's so many poles. It just needs to be better, has more range. Maybe the upgrade will do the trick for me. Who knows? So, now we got ourselves some additional copper. Great. I need it to go... Where do I need it to go? On the copper belt line. The copper belt line is going further towards the rest. And then somehow upwards. Directly like that. Underground. This is the underground system, and it goes like so. So that this one is doing the thing. 1, 2, and like this pole is in the way, and of course this one was important for some reason. Still important, that's weird. So let's place that one over here. Right. Nice. I love that. Okay, so the coal line facilitates all of that stuff. That's perfect. This one drills all the way through here. There's just that the... This one I think I have to redesign a little bit. So that I can place all of the furnaces on the outside and not on the inside of my resource field. Because that is definitely not helping me at all. Right. These resources are going to get used up. Perfect. And as long as it stops at one point, right? And not going to continue to produce the resources all the time, then I might be good. This is 3 and 2. This is 3 and nothing. And... I don't seem to make too many of the green research thingies. What's going on? That one needs inserters, needs... Okay, that one has enough inserters, but these two don't. I need to make more inserters. Why is that not working? This one needs electricity again. This one needs copper again. This one is not producing a decent amount, because the copper's coming in now. Perfect. Perfect. So that could mean that... Okay. That one is always filled and it produces to the maximum of its capabilities. It looks like I have to manage something up here. Maybe to the right or to the left or whatever. Or maybe I'd have to split up the whole process a little bit. So that I can produce these thingies. Oh, I think I have a good idea. It always takes the stuff that's on the... What about the short inserters? What do they usually take? The short inserters take whatever they can, but it depends on what they need. So in this case, the short inserter would take the copper, And the long inserter would place it on the long side, in this case. On that side over here, but this would not be okay. What I want to do is like take away this one completely, and then have like... Yeah, I think I know what I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna take the spell system here, take all of the copper out, and put it through a facility thing to make a decent amount of these copper wires, and then move them over here, and then they are going to get splitted. That should do the job just fine, I think. That should do it just fine. So... But actually... For now it seems to work. Yeah. Okay, more flexible ways to distribute electricity. Still don't have the blue stuff yet. Inserter capacity, yes. Oh, the automobile. Yeah, let's take that one. Automobile. That's so weird. Anyway, how does the whole thingy work? It needs some steel plates, some iron sticks, and medium electrical pole, sure. And this one here too. Total raw. Okay, it just tells you what you need overall. Okay. Wait a minute. Total raw. 2 plates are made into 4 iron sticks, I presume. Yeah, 1 and 2. Okay, that's neat. Thank goodness. Okay. Yeah, and the total raw resources tell you exactly what you need for this one. And some paraffin sticks, whatever. These things. But the plastic bar recipe has to be made with coal and petroleum gas, and the petroleum gas has to be... Oh yeah, wait a minute, I have to dig this out of the ground, right? I made a few of those, and it seems like pump jack can only be built on resources. Yeah, I know. But how am I supposed to know where resources are? Like, that doesn't... Coal, wait. Wait a minute. Can it be that this this pump jack doesn't work on iron? Does it work on coal? No. It needs an oil field. Or maybe it needs some water supply or something. Expected resource, nothing. I need to go really, really far in order to find myself an oil field. That's a wee bit iffy. Okay. Right. There don't seem to be oil fields in the water, but there's coal, there's some uranium, there's some stones. But I haven't found any oil yet. So that means I have to expand the base a wee bit. I think it would be better if you start not at the area where you started, but somewhere else. Circuit network gives you better control over your machines by interconnecting them with wires and making them react to signals. Stone wall. Walls to protect your factory against tanks. Sure, but I need other walls. Steel axe. Increase your mining speed. Yes. The thing is, the mining speed itself, right? That's something we actually don't really care that much about. Wait a minute. What happened to the... you can see it. It's a faint dotted line there. As soon as they attack, I'm so screwed. I would be so screwed. That means I have to place a gun turret up there. Just in case. Can I make another gun turret? This one needs copper plates and some other things. But it... what about ammunition? It can make a little bit of ammunition. That's okay. Okay, so just to keep the stuff in here in check, let's place that one up here. And of course, place these bits in there. Oh. The ammunition is placed down there. That's not quite nice. Anyway. Do I only have steel axes or do I get some other stuff there too? Not really. Not really. Wait, what's this? Military science pack. Where do I get that? Military science pack. Military science. This one. Okay, this one needs the stone wall. Alright. So that one is done. Stone wall. That was quick. A little too quick almost. Where's the thing? There we go. So let's place that over here. And where are my ammunitions? Right. I need more iron plating. That's besides the point. What else could I make? Military stuff. Look at how quickly that one is going up. Oh, that's amazing. I love that. It's not perfect, but it does its job quite nicely. Oh, come on, don't get stuck here. Can it be that the character actually changes size the further you zoom out? Like, see that? Oh, I knew it. There's something going on there. I think. Oh, no, that's actually a height elevation. If you... See that? If you step on the belt, the character is actually pushed upwards a little bit, and it seems as if it's getting a little bit taller. Very interesting. Very interesting. So, and let's just fill all of it with coal, but it gets a wee bit annoying to do this, to be honest. That means I need a coal belt on this stuff, and I have to get rid of all of this, and then fuse it all together, and then... Yeah, I have to bring out all of the iron to the top side of it. Move it sideways. And then place the... Yeah. Wait a minute. Iron goes up sideways. Then makes a bend. Then to the left. And then down it comes in form of an iron plate. That will be what I'm going to do. Okay, so how do I make these military... thingies, military research packs? They are in here. They need piercing rounds. Some grenade. That is a weird bit. Definitely a weird bit. Yeah, piercing rounds. So I need coal. I need iron plates. I need copper. I need steel. The problem is that I need steel and iron at the same time. That's a little bit weird. But in this case, I think it has to come in stages. So... yeah, it needs 2 walls. Let's just build it like that. So that we can understand the setup. And then I have to adjust it and move it around somehow. So yeah, this one is going to produce this stuff. This one needs walls. Walls are defense oriented, so this is a wall. There we go. Walls need stone. Walls need stone. Then it needs grenades. Grenades need coal and iron plates. Coal and iron plates. Iron plates can be taken off of that belt. There is no problem there. And I said that I kind of wanted to change that amount, right? Okay, as long as there's always some inserters here, everything's good. But there's not enough inserters, to be honest. Not enough inserters. Yeah, there definitely need to be more. But in this case, it's the speed that's dependent here. Wait a minute. Where's my research thingy? There we go. This one needs iron gear wheels and electronic circuits to make this thing faster by a factor of 50%. It also reduces the pollution a little bit, which is quite nice. Interesting. Yeah, this would make an awful lot of things an awful lot faster. And then it can spit out a ton of these things. Okay. So... I need like... some iron plating and some copper. Some iron plating and some copper. Wait a minute. Let's take the copper ore and fill all of those with it. There we go. Now, where was... Hoi. This is not supposed to be here. That was more accidental than anything. Let's take that out. There we go. Now it is perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Oh, what about the pollution? Close to the next nest. That one has to be exterminated. Otherwise I'm gonna be screwed. Anyway, wait a minute. I need to place it in a different fashion. So, wait a minute. Like this and this, and maybe like this and this. There. So, we do want to end up with this research stuff. Therefore, we need a wall to the right. Okay. Then the one in the bottom is a grenade. And this one needs like iron and coal. So let's make a chest and place a bit of that in here, and coal, just to mark exactly what we need. So this one needs iron and coal. This one needs stone. Do I have some stone in here? Yes. Do I have another thing in here? Yes. So this one needs... Okay, that one is not supposed to happen. Oh no, not good. What's the... walking speed 130%. Oh, okay, make things faster. You have to be really careful where you place this stuff. Right click to mine build tiles. When in cursor. Mine build tiles. Left click to build. Right click to mine build tiles. Okay, wait. When in cursor and right. Oh, okay. But you cannot right click it once it's placed. You have to click this first. But you can also change the shape of it. The thing is, you can only mine it. Wait a minute. Yeah, you do not waste anything. That's good. Anyway. So. Some of that goes in here, some of that goes in here, some of that goes in here. And then we have, of course, the red gunnery things. And this stuff needs steel plate, normal firearms, and some other stuff. Normal firearms, again, need this one and this one. So, normal firearms need that one. Therefore, we need another box with a little bit of iron in it. Wait a minute. So... Okay, iron in it. That's good. Then, this one needs steel plates and copper. Steel plates and copper. Copper comes from somewhere else. Yeah. Actually, two resources that come from furnaces. So, in this case... How do... wait a minute. Nothing? Shift. How do you only place one of these in there? I mean, like this? Ah, right click. Okay. So, this one and a little bit of copper. Copper ore. This one is coming from here. And yeah, it needs some copper. Definitely needs some copper. Bam. Just as a symbol, some copper. Right. If you set this up like this, you can kind of understand the whole system. Much easier. Okay, this marker is still going. And once I know how the whole thing is set up, I can just spread it out once, a little bit, right? And then I can kind of stretch out individual components. Like this one, for example, gets stretched out to the left, depending on how much gets produced here. And this one also. But yeah, I definitely need to get the iron components off of here. So that means I need a selective grabber. The problem is there's no select long grabber. That makes things a bit weird. Fast inserter, yeah, filter inserter. Is there a long filter inserter or something like that? Inserter, there we go. There's a fast inserter, a stack inserter, and an insert capacity. Allow stack inserters to move more items at once. Some of the upgrades add a small amount of stack even to non-stack inserters. Anyway, let's just research this whole thing. And in the next one, we are definitely going to produce this research pack. And maybe even upgrade this part over here. I'm still not so happy about how this one is going, to be honest. Maybe I should always have like an extrusion from the production line, like this one up here, where the specific items end up all the time. So this is where the copper will end up, and once I need more copper, I can just build upon this area and just move it along and whatnot. So there's always a point where I can connect it and add additional buildings and so on. Anyhow, for now, let's end it. And continue, of course, at another time. Until then, like and subscribe. Ta-ta!